So Brian, where are we now?
We're bottom of the Chiquita Loop, down at the San Juan River, and there's water, lots of it. Clean water.